Hey guys, Sustainable Stace with a quick little update. We could talk about aphids and pests, we could talk about cabbage family, and we could talk about harvesting seeds. And all three of those topics come together on this little tiny show and share.
I'm Stacy Taves. For me, healthy food and sustainability are totally connected. You can grow it yourself. Nature is generous.
This is a sprouting broccoli plant. Last year it was all about producing food for the family here. This year it's all about producing seeds. 2 weeks ago it was almost ready to start harvesting seeds, but not quite, and it was also falling prey to a horde of aphids. I didn't want to use any chemicals or sprays. I simply came out here with a garden hose and a spray nozzle, and I sprayed off all the branches, and almost all the aphids were knocked off. A few remained, and where they did remain, you can still see here, and there's a little close-up. Ladybugs came in and took care of the rest. Now it's time to harvest, and I just want to show you, when they're nice and dry, as these ones are, and you get the seed pods in your hand, and I've got a big bucket I'll throw the rest into, and you crack them open. Let me just, don't want to lose the seeds to the ground. There. And there's all the sprouting broccoli seeds coming out from the plant, and you can see when you look here, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pods. And so all I'm doing is going branch by branch and finding where there's a good collection of them. There's 8 or 10 seed pods right there. And I just have a big 20-liter pail on the ground, and I just drop them in. And I'm just cruising through the plant, making sure that I'm being nice to any of the ladybugs that are still here, and dropping these in. Once I've got a whole bunch of them in, and I've got them in the bucket well, I just start crunching them up. And when I crunch them up like that, all the fiber lets go of all the seeds. I start out by just taking the big pieces, and then I strain them out, and eventually I end up with thousands of seeds in the body, ready to sow, ready to share, ready to sell. There you go. Cabbage family, sprouting broccoli, controlling pests, and saving seeds all at once. Yeah! Is growing your own veggies both exciting and scary because you don't know where to start? Let me take the intimidation factor out of it for you. I'm Sustainable Stace. I've got this awesome online class that takes you through an entire year, from scoping up your garden to building the soil, laying out plants that are happy together and avoiding the ones that aren't good neighbors. I call the whole course getbackyardabundance.com, and I'd love to take you through a year of gardening, take out the guesswork, and make you veggie confident. Getbackyardabundance.com. Check the link out below.